prove. Opposite angles of an inscribed quadrilateral are supplementary. This is the illustration. This is the inscribed quadrilateral PQRS. All its vertices are on the circle. Given inscribed quadrilateral PQRS. Prove. Angle P and angle R are supplementary. Angle P and angle R are opposite angles in the inscribed quadrilateral. And angle Q and angle S are supplementary. Angle Q and angle S are also opposite angles in the inscribed quadrilateral. We are going to prove the statement using a two-column proof. In the first column, we are going to write the statements. In the second column, the corresponding reasons. The first statement is usually the given data. So, number 1, statement, inscribe quadrilateral PQRS. The corresponding reason is, of course, given. Number 2, statement, the measure of angle P is one of the measure of arc QRS. The reason, inscribe angle theorem. The measure of angle R is equal to one of the measure of arc QPS. The reason is also inscribe angle theorem. According to the inscribed angle theorem, the measure of an inscribed angle is equal to 1/2 the measure of its intercepted arc. In the figure, the intercepted arc of angle P is arc QRS, and the intercepted arc of angle R is arc QPS. Next statement, we are going to add the left side of this equation to the left side of this equation, and then also the right side of this equation to the right side of this equation. So we have measure of angle P plus measure of angle R is equal to 1/2 measure of arc QRS plus 1/2 measure of arc QPS. The reason, addition property of equality. Notice that on the right side, there is a common factor, which is the 1/2. We are going to factor this out in the next statement. Statement number 4. Measure of angle P plus measure of angle R is equal to 1/2 times the quantity measure of arc QRS plus measure of arc QPS. The reason, factoring. We factored out the common factor 1/2. For statement number 5, measure of arc QRS plus measure of arc QPS is equal to 360. The reason, the two arcs make a full circle. There are 360 degrees in one full circle. We are going to substitute 360 for measure of RQRS plus the measure of RQPS. So for statement number 6, we have measure of angle P plus measure of angle R is equal to 1/2 of 360. The reason, substitution. For statement number 7, measure of angle P plus measure of angle R is equal to 180. The reason, simplifying. Therefore, angle P and angle R are supplementary. The reason is definition of supplementary angles. According to the definition of supplementary angles, two angles are supplementary if the sum of their measures is equal to 180 degrees. To prove that angle Q and angle S are supplementary, just follow the same steps.